In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Canon TS702a printer on a wireless network with a Windows computer. Let's get started. Before wirelessly setting up your printer, confirm that your computer is connected to your Wi-Fi and can access the internet. Also, keep your Wi-Fi name and password handy. You may need to use this information during setup. Make sure to also temporarily disable any firewall software. For information on how to disable the firewall, please refer to the documentation that came with your security software. Next, we'll prepare the printer for wireless connection. Make sure your printer is plugged in and powered on. The green light will be lit when the printer is on. Press and hold the wireless connect button on the front panel for about 3 seconds. When you see "Follow the instructions on the PC or smartphone, etc." scroll across the screen, printer preparation is complete. Now let's install the software. Download the installation files from the Canon website by visiting ij.start.canon. Select Setup. In the search box, type in your product name, then select Go. On the next screen, select Start. Select If you have already prepared your printer, go to Connect. On the Connecting to a Computer screen, select Download. Software download may take a few minutes. Please note, the location of your downloaded file may vary depending on the browser you're using. Now let's install the printer software. Open the downloaded file on your computer to get started. Select Start Setup to begin the installation process. Review the information on this screen, then select Next. The program will look for the latest software and driver updates. This may take a few minutes. The license agreement screen will be displayed. Read the agreement, and if you agree to the terms, select Yes to continue with the installation. If you select No, the software will not be installed. The For Using Services Related to Canon Products screen will be displayed. Review the information, and then select Do Not Agree or Agree. Your choice will not affect the installation process. On the Check the Connection Method screen, confirm that your printer and wireless router are correctly listed, then select Yes to complete the connection. Network connection is temporarily disabled during setup, and this may take a few minutes. Once the connection is complete, select Next. The driver will now be installed. This may take a few minutes. If you'd like to make a test print, select Start and follow the on-screen instructions. You can skip test printing by selecting Next. When this screen appears, the setup is complete. Select Next. On the Software Installation List screen, confirm that the additional software you want to install is selected. Then select Next. The software will now be installed. This may take a few minutes. On this screen, you have the option to select instructions to access the online manual and see the steps on how to set up your smartphone or tablet. Select Next to continue. At this time, you'll be prompted to register your product. If you choose to register at this time, a new web browser window will open. Here you'll find information about your printer, eligible subscription services, and get personalized support by signing up for a My Canon account. When you see this screen, the software installation is complete. Select Exit. Congratulations! This completes the installation of your Canon TS702a on a Windows computer using a wireless connection. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.